We often hear people say, "You can do it, just be confident," or "just talk confidently." But what does confidence really mean? It's not loudness, it's not arrogance, it's a silent trust in your own power. It's your core: courage, ownership, resilience, and expression. Let me share how I discovered mine. At 19, I was studying in my college first year. I didn't understand the value of money. One day, my father challenged me to earn 2000 rupees, and I accepted that challenge. It was just a number. No, that was the turning point of my life. I took that challenge very seriously. No shortcut, no excuses, just a pure intent. I gave 60 interviews and I faced 60 rejection. It was very demotivating. I felt so low, so negative, so depressed. It was not so easy. But I didn't give up. And finally, I got my first job as a receptionist. My first salary was 1600 rupees. That was not enough as I promised 2000. So I took a tuition session after my work. I still remember the day I handed over 2000 rupees to my father. That moment, something rewired inside me. I realized I could do anything. And that 2000 was not just money. It's actually a proof that belief plus action is equal to confidence. I have understood that if you believe in yourself and you can take the right action in right time, you can achieve anything in your life. So from receptionist to eventually reach the position of business head, I proved something, not just the world, but to myself. Let me share another moment that tested me. I went for an interview at SJ Public School for the post of senior computer teacher. I had all the qualification. I did my TOEIC O level, A level, and also did my 3-year degree of computer application and programming. But I was underestimated. The principal called in a tall 12th grade student, something 6 feet 2 inch height, and asked me, "Can you teach someone like him? As you are looking like a kid." I smiled and said, "Maybe he's taller than me, but he's just a layman in front of me when it comes to computer." That was it. No further question asked. I was hired on the spot. I taught 11th and 12th standard for 2 years. Not because I had a short height, but because I have depth knowledge and confidence. Confidence is not about looking the part. It's about who you are, what you know, and what you stand for. You don't become confident and then take action. You take action despite the fear and become confident. C.O.R.E confidence is not gifted, it's built. Courage to face challenges and rejection. Ownership of your own growth. Resilience in the face of doubt. And expression without fear. Confidence is not loud, it's visible in your choices, not just your voice. Always remember, the diamonds shine the brightest when put under pressure. Just like diamond, your true, true, you can say value or true worth is only revealed in the toughest condition. From rupees 1600 salary to leading a business team was not just a talent alone. It's only because of the confidence rooted with action. Because action speaks louder than word. So today I'll ask you all, what one small action you take now to start building your own core confidence? That is, repeat after me: courage, ownership, resilience, and expression. Thank you so much.